Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the hashtag How Do You Do, hosted by Sharyl Denny of The Whole Bucket. And it's a collaboration where we use the Tea Time kit made by Ink and Pages on Etsy. And I'll have a link in the description for the kit as well as the collaborators. So I'm finally just getting finished with this journal. I put a lot of heart and soul into it. So the journal measures approximately, let's see, we'll just say 6 by 9 with I think it's a 2-inch spine. Yeah, with a 2-inch spine. And it's got like a shabby chic kind of look to it, and I added a lot of lace and different things on here. And I tried to utilize the kit as much as possible, and there are a whole lot of elements in there. And for the title, Tea Time, that actually came from the kit itself, and I just took that off and added that on there. And like I said, I added a lot of lace and stuff, and I created this detachable, what do you call it, dangle. And then we have some of the tea on here, or the little tea printouts, and then I just added it to this little clip, and just added different little things on here. I'm not real good at making jewelry, so yeah. I just put on some stuff, just little findings, little jewelry findings and things like that. And I put it on there the best way I could, so I think it turned out okay though. And then this just clips on here, so you can put it on or take it off, or however you want to do it. So that's what it looks like from the side. And then the back is just kind of plain. So and there are 3 signatures, and the middle one, it's more like a folio insert than like a signature, I guess. But yeah, it's got like a lot of lace and different stuff. So I'm just going to put some music on, and I'm just going to show you the journal. But the signatures are all removable, and the spine, it's similar to how I usually do it, but I did it a little bit different this time. Basically, I just took some fabric and I just cut it up into little sections, and then I took some of that elastic binding, or elastic, and then I just kind of fed it down through those pieces of cut fabric, and then I stitched them on from one side, and then I tied up the other side of the what do you call it, elastic at the top. And then I decided to add on the back part of the spine. I just found some fabric, some like not sheer, but what do you call that, some kind of poly fabric, white fabric, wrapped it around and stitched it and added some lace over top of it, and then just glued it on here. It's a process. If you're interested in how I made the binding, I'll make a video of it, but I didn't really make one for this because it took so long, and I just wanted to get this journal completed. So yeah, I'm just going to put some music on, and I will show you what the journal looks like. So this is pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And I hope you enjoyed this series. And so now I'm going to try to finish up my Christmas themed stuff. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.